Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best NYX Cosmetics Glitter Goals with the NYX Professional Makeup Face and Body Glitter in Silver. If you're looking to add some serious sparkle to your makeup routine, this glitter is designed to elevate your look, whether it's for everyday glam or those festival vibes. This face and body glitter comes in a loose, finely milled formula that catches the light beautifully, creating a radiant shimmer on your skin. What makes this product stand out is its versatility. You can apply it anywhere on your eyes, cheeks, or body to instantly amp up your glow. It's perfect for those who love to experiment with glitter but want something that's easy to work with and long-lasting. One of the key elements to get the most out of this glitter is pairing it with the NYX Glitter Primer. The primer has a lightweight, creamy texture that acts as a sticky base, ensuring the glitter adheres securely and stays put throughout the day or night. This combination minimizes glitter fallout, which can be a big plus for anyone who's tried loose glitter before. The packaging is compact and travel-friendly, making it easy to toss into your makeup bag for quick touch-ups or on-the-go glam. Inside, you get a small pot of glitter that might seem tiny, but a little goes a long way, especially when layered over the primer. The silver shade itself is a classic choice, bright, reflective, and flattering on many skin tones. NYX Professional Makeup is known for being cruelty-free, which is great if you're conscious about supporting brands that don't test on animals. Plus, their products tend to deliver professional quality results without breaking the bank, and this glitter is no exception. When using this glitter, the key is to apply the primer first and give it a moment to become tacky before patting the glitter on top. You can build up the sparkle to your desired intensity, whether you want a subtle shimmer or a full-on glitter bomb. Because the glitter is loose, it offers more control and flexibility in application compared to stick or gel-based glitters. Overall, the NYX Professional Makeup Face and Body Glitter in Silver is a fantastic choice for anyone wanting to add a dazzling touch to their makeup looks. Its beautiful shine, ease of use with the primer, and cruelty-free promise make it a solid glitter product worth trying out. If you're ready to shine bright and stand out, this glitter will definitely help you achieve those glitter goals. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews. See you next time.